negative 13.2%, negative $539.
I'm rich, bitch!
Nobody cares about that. It's not what we're talking about today. Today, we are talking about how many payments I received in February. Got 14 payments in February. They are dividend payments. So we're not looking at trades, we're not looking at deposits, not cash movement, not position changes. These are just the dividends, and we're only looking at February. They don't add up to a lot, but they do add up to more than January. 14 payments in February gave me $17.54 that I didn't do anything with. That the negative 13% that we saw in the beginning has nothing to do with. The negative $500, totally different thing. This is new cash, $17 of new cash. Cash doesn't go down when the market goes down. Cash is cash, dollar is a dollar, $1, $17. More is more. January got $16 and change. February, $17 and change. It would be nice if March was $18 and change, but I doubt it. But that's all we're looking at there. Down 13% doesn't stop the payments from coming. I will receive multiple payments every month forever, unless the company goes out of business. Unlikely. And then it's all red. Everything's red, everything's negative. But that doesn't mean that we're going to lose any money. It says negative 6% minus $177 last week. It was a rough week. This is my newest trade. It says negative $130. I bought them at $1,700, currently worth $1,570. Negative $130 if we sold. We're not going to sell unless they pay us to sell. We're going to sell a call for $17. One contract, which is 100 shares. And I am willing to sell them for, if I could type 25 cents, review. You are agreeing to sell 100 shares of PCG at $17. Remember, I bought at $17. On or before March 6th, 1 week. It's probably going to be a red week. Why not take a little bit of free money? If you aren't asked to sell by then, you'll keep your collateral, my 100 shares of the stock, and the full $25 credit for doing nothing. Submit. Contract sold 0 of 1 because it's Sunday, March 1st. This video will be up March 2nd, Monday morning. It might fill, it might not, but we won't know till tomorrow or today if you're watching this. But just because it's down doesn't mean we're losing money. I'm not going to sell for anything less than 17. Bought at 17, going to sell at 17. To be honest, I didn't buy at 17. They paid me $21 to buy at 17, which means I really only bought it like $16.79. Negative on the day, negative on the week. Ooh, negative on the month. Whole month, no gains. All back down. 3 months, 7%, $168 positive. 1 year, $410 positive, 19%. All times, still up 47%, $800. So we're going to run the numbers real quick. I bought $1,700 worth of stock minus the 21 they paid me equals $16.79. Would be break even if I had to sell. $16.79 would be my money back. Minus 25 if they accept the contract to sell them at 17 next week would put my break even at $16.54 minus the contract says they have to buy them at 17 would give me $46 for just buying and selling at the same exact price. No up, no down, still $46.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit.